Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Server again. My name is Dr. Lokendra Singh, and within this video we are going to see that how to reboot a server if it is in AutoScaling Group. So what happens is, like, if your servers are under AutoScaling Group, so AutoScaling Group will not allow you to reboot your instance. Reason being, AWS AutoScaling Group will terminate the instances which are in following conditions, such as your stopped, terminating, or terminated. So these states are not considered to be healthy under AutoScaling Group. But though, even if you need to reboot your servers, so what will you do then? So for doing that, you will have to go to your instances, and after coming here, this is your description box, and rest of feature you have already seen. So what you need to do here is, you need to set a server, and you need to click on set to standby. There is an option like, if you want that new instance to take place apart from this, so you will check on this, but for this video I'm not going to do that. So I will set this, like, as you can see here, this is saying that entering standby. So all the servers which are kept as standby, so these servers are not monitored under your AutoScaling Group. Hence, doing so you can reboot your server. Okay. Second thing is, what you can do here is, if you really want that, you want this server to be available, and for sure, like, this is standby now. If you want, you can reboot this server and this will not be terminated. Fine. So once again, when the server is rebooted and you have done your stuff, so you will click on set to service, and obviously that server will once again become part of your your EC2 AutoScaling Group. Okay. Now what will you do here is, second option you can do here is, you can click here and you will click on detach. It means this server is in AutoScaling Group, and you will click on detach, and obviously this server will be detached. Once again, the same option is coming here, like, do you want to launch a new instance in place of this? So I will say no, because I do not want that. So I will click on detach. So it is detaching and it is pending. Obviously, when you shall be performing this operation in your production environment, so you will not perform this particular thing in parallel. Reason being, I am doing this particular thing just because of my testing. So as you can see, only one instance is available within my AutoScaling Group. Okay. So now what I'm going to do here is, I will go to instances, and what I will do here is, I will click on this instance, and I will go to instance setting and attach to AutoScaling Group. So I will click on, like, whether I want to create a new AutoScaling Group, or I want to attach an existing one. So this is my existing AutoScaling Group, and I will click on attach. So as the instance has already been attached successfully, so what I will do here is, I will go to my AutoScaling, and now I will check here whether my both instances are part of this AutoScaling Group. So if I go to instances, so obviously both the instances are part of this AutoScaling Group. So this is second way, like, how we can do our server, or how we can reboot our server. There is one more option which says that you will go to edit this, you will go and you will edit this secure this auto scaling, like, configuration, and you will go and you will click on this suspend process. So what process you want to suspend? There are multiple, like launch, terminate, health check. So what you will do here is, you will suspend health check. It means when the health of your servers will not be checked. So using this particular option, as you can see, like, suspended process health check, so you can achieve your target, and you can perform the operations on your AWS platform. When, as and when required, you can reboot your server. But this particular stuff is not suggested. Reason being, if somehow or the other you forgot to enable this particular option, so your entire infra can go bad, and obviously that particular moment you shall not be able to, like, auto scale your environment. So keep this thing in mind. Once your job is done, so you need to suspend, you need to disable this particular option, which is like, health check suspend. So you will go and you will save it. Fine. So these are the ways you can reboot your server if these are part of your auto scaling group. In the meanwhile, I would like to tell you that all the activities which are performed here, so you can check like why this server was deleted. So instances was deleted in response to a user request, shrinking the capacity from 2 to 1. So that is why this server was deleted. Now, what is this? Attaching an EC2 instance to user request, keeping the capacity at the new one. So these are the logs which you can check whatever you want. You can check like why this particular activity happened and who initiated this. So everything you can check here. Same here like scaling policy as of now, because I created this auto scaling group just because of some testing purpose or nothing else. So you can do so. Fine. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share the videos with your friends who needs to learn AWS system. Thank you very much. Have a good time.